Very good morning, dear students. Dear children, in the last class, we started the chapter, it is patterns and symmetry. In that, you learned that the different types of patterns in numbers, whether it may be addition, subtraction or multiplication and division. So, I hope you have practiced the first exercise part. Now I am proceeding to the second subtopic, it is symmetry. Dear students, here we are going to explain. You are going to learn the meaning of tessellation and symmetry, line of symmetry and symmetrical figures. It's very simple and I'm going to explain some problems given in the exercise part. Dear students, before we are entering the chapter, you should know about what is meant by tessellation. Tessellations are the patterns. Tessellations are the patterns which are made by repeated shapes. Those we called as tessellations. In buildings, the floors or the walls, they have fixed some types of tiles. So those we considered as flooring tiles or wall tiles. In the tiles, the shapes repeatedly occurring. It is considered as tessellation. Tessellation of floor tiles, tessellation of wall tiles, and also some types of designs occurs. So in your dresses or on the mat, we found or we observed different types of tessellations. Best example is chessboard. Have you seen chessboard? There will be 64 square boxes. One white block color. So chessboard, it is having the best example for the tessellation. Honeycomb also, it is an example of tessellation. So dear students, so few more examples we can give like this. So by using the hexagonal shape, so here shapes are repeatedly will come. So like this, the shapes are continuously occurring. It is called as tessellations. Tessellation. Have you observed this type of floors also? It is called as tessellation. Now I should proceed to the symmetry. Dear students, before going to study about symmetry, you should know about the shapes. Some shapes, if you made it into left and right side, if you make it into two equal parts, left side and right side, if one side exactly fits to the another half, then such type of figures we called as symmetrical figures. If one side is not exactly fit to the another side, we say that those shapes are asymmetrical figures. Then what is meant by symmetry? Symmetry is nothing but it divides the line. It is an imaginary line which we represent by using dotted lines. The line which divides any shape exactly two halves, then such line we called as line of symmetry. So dear students, now I should proceed to the exercise part and I can explain by taking the shapes. Here my exercise part, my practice time. It is 3. My practice time 3. It is there in the page number 129. Before that, please complete my practice time 2 also, because it is based on the questions tessellations. So it is just color the given tessellations by using different colors. So which of the following figures are symmetrical? Which of the following figures are symmetrical? Here, dear children, the first one is triangle. The second one is hexagon. So observe here, what are symmetrical figures? If we are drawing lines, imaginary lines like dotted lines like this, so this line is called as line of symmetry. Line of symmetry. If the line of symmetry we are drawing vertically, then it is called as vertical line of symmetry. The line of symmetry, if we are drawing horizontally, then it is called as horizontal line of symmetry. Vertical line of symmetry or horizontal line of symmetry. So here, this is having line of symmetry, then we say that triangle is a symmetrical figure. Triangle is a symmetrical figure. Now you come to the second one. Here the line of symmetry you can draw horizontally, so it makes into two equal halves. The top part is exactly fits to the second, that is bottom part, so it is a symmetrical figure. Or we can draw the line of symmetry vertically also. So it is having two line of symmetry. One is horizontal line of symmetry and vertical line of symmetry. Both the shapes are having symmetrical in nature. So that we can say that figures are symmetrical in nature. So these two figures are symmetrical in nature. So next is draw lines of symmetry for the following shapes. Line of symmetry. Before that, dear students, in English alphabets, can you think which are the letters are having symmetry? So A. Observe here, A. A is having only one line of symmetry. We can draw a line, vertical line like this. So this half is exactly fit to the another half. So A is having line of symmetry. B. Observe dear children, B is also having one line of symmetry. C is also having one line of symmetry like this. D is also having one line of symmetry. E. Yes students, does E also having? Yes. F. Does F having line of symmetry? No. In this part, vertical or horizontal line of symmetry, it does not having. F does not having. G. Observe dear students, if you are drawing the line of symmetry, left side is not equal to, not fit to the right side, or top is not fit to the bottom. That means G also not having line of symmetry. H. It is having two line of symmetry, horizontal as well as vertical. So H is having two lines of symmetry. So it is having two. I. Observe dear children, I also having two lines of symmetry. So top and bottom it fits. Left and right also it fits. So H, I also having two lines of symmetry. J, does J is having line of symmetry? No. K, K, does it have line of symmetry? Is it top and bottom exactly fit? No, it will not fit. L, L also it is not having any line of symmetry. M, observe dear children. So M, it is having one line of symmetry. We can draw the line of symmetry, vertical line of symmetry. But horizontal line of symmetry it is not having, because top is different from bottom. N is also not having any line of symmetry. O and circle having n number, that means infinite line of symmetry. So you can draw any line of symmetry, both one half exactly equal to the another half. P, does it P having line of symmetry? So you just imagine, no, one side is not equal to the another side. So P also not having any line of symmetry. Q also not having any line of symmetry, because here if you are drawing line of symmetry, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So it is also not having. R, does it R having? No dear children. Observe top and bottom different. So it is also not having. Yes. So does it S having line of symmetry? Your top is not equal to bottom, or left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Yes, also not having line of symmetry. T, does it have? It is having only one line of symmetry, that is vertical line of symmetry. U also having one line of symmetry. V also having one line of symmetry. W also having one line of symmetry. X, observe dear children, X is having two lines of symmetry. If you draw the dotted lines, the top is exactly equal to the down or bottom, and left hand side is exactly equal to the right hand side. Y, observe here, I am going to write Y here. Y does not have any line of symmetry. Z, look at here, Z also not having any line of symmetry. Only few letters, that is A, B, C, D, E, H, I, then M, O, then T, U, V, W. These are the letters are having line of symmetry. Remaining letters do not having the line of symmetry. Line of symmetry is very simple. If you make it into two equal halves by drawing vertical lines or horizontal lines, if one half exactly fit to the another half, then we say that it is having line of symmetry. If it is not fit, then we say that it is not having line of symmetry. Dear students, so in the second main, they have given that in the my practice 10 draw the lines of symmetry. Draw lines of symmetry. So here the shape is like this. The second one, it is just like kite. And the third one, a rectangle. Next, so here is one arrow mark. The letter A. Okay. These are the, and one more, they have given I. So these are the signs they have given that to draw the line of symmetry. Dear students, when you are drawing the line of symmetry, please use ruler, that is scale, to draw the lines of symmetry. Okay, whenever you draw the lines of symmetry, you should represent by using dotted line. Don't draw continuous line. So how to draw a dotted line? So like this. Or if it is horizontal, you can draw like this. Don't draw the continuous line. So it is called, if it is dotted line, then only we say that it is line of symmetry. Okay, here I am going to use the ruler to draw the line of symmetry. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides it is having. We can say that it is an hexagon. How many lines of symmetry it can have? So 1. So 2 are equal halves. 2, 2, 3, 3, here 4, 4. That's it. How many lines of symmetry it is having? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines of symmetry. Yes, students, you come to here. So here, this is in the shape of kite. So it is having only 2 lines of symmetry. Okay, it is having here 1, 2, 3, 4. It is having 4 lines of symmetry. It is having 2 lines of symmetry. This one and this one. Next, we come to this here. Here, rectangle also having 2 lines of symmetry. So like this. Next one, this arrow mark. So if you are drawing the line of symmetry for the arrow mark, so only one line it is having, one line of symmetry. So you cannot draw the vertical line of symmetry. If you are drawing vertical line of symmetry, it is not become symmetric figure. A is also, we are having only one line of symmetry. So like this. So it is also having one line of symmetry. For the letter I, how many lines of symmetry it is having? Yes, students, observe here. So it is also having 2 lines of symmetry. So in this way, remaining questions, remaining figures also, you draw the line of symmetry and how many lines of symmetry you count and write it beside the figure only. In the textbook itself, you complete the questions. So I hope you will finish my practice time 3. This is about my practice time. The third main is draw the mirror image of the following. Draw mirror images. Yes, students, mirror images is nothing but if you are standing in front of the mirror, you can see your own image in the mirror also. It is called as image. If you are seeing your own image in the mirror, then it is called as image. So when you are holding your textbook in front of the mirror, it appears, you can see the image of the textbook. So what is the mirror image? You are going to draw it now. So here the shape is like this. So usually you should represent by using the dotted line. This is the dotted line. This is the figure. It is like, just like M. So another one is there here. It is. So here, draw the mirror images. The mirror images also will come in the same, in the another side. Okay, observe your children. So here it extends like this and it moves again front and it joins here. So this is the mirror image. Left hand equal to the right hand. So it is called mirror image. So here also, in the down also, it should be in the shape of the same figure. Then only we say that it is a mirror image. Suppose if you are drawing the leaf, if it is leaf in the same shape, another side also draw the leaf. So that is mirror image or images formed in the plane mirrors. Dear students, you please complete remaining questions in your textbook itself. So next I will proceed to the worksheet. It is there in the page number 133. So worksheet. Page number 133. So here the first main, complete the following patterns. Complete the patterns. Observe, dear children, the first one is A 329, 324, 324, dash and dash. B 27, dash, 23, 21, dash and dash. Observe here, complete this pattern. Dear children, 329, 324. What is the, whether it is increased or decreased or multiplied or divided? You observe the pattern here. 329, 324. Decreasing. How many numbers decreased? 29, 28, 28, 27, 26. 25, 24. It is decreased by 5 number. That means 324. If you decrease 324, 24, before 23, 22, 21, 20, 19. That is 319. 319. If you subtract 5, you are getting 314. Again, what is the next number you are getting? 309. So in this way the numbers proceeded. Now we come to the second number. So 27, you cannot find this number. You observe 23 and 21. Whether increased or decreased? 23 and 21. It is decreasing. How many numbers? 3. Here 23, 21. It is decreased by 2. 23 minus 21, you are getting 2. So 27 minus 2, it is 25. 25 minus 2, 23. 23 minus 2, it is 21. 21 minus 2, it is 19. 19 minus 2, it is 17. In this way, you complete the remaining questions also. First, you observe the pattern and complete the remaining blanks given. Okay. So the next one, draw the lines of symmetry for the following. If possible, you should draw the line of symmetry. So the figures are like this. Circle. You can draw uncountable number of line of symmetry. This is the circle. You can draw uncountable number of lines of symmetry. So in any direction, if you are drawing, so these are lines of symmetry. Square also. Square, it is having 2 lines of symmetry. Draw the mirror image for the following figures. So I could explain in this period only. Please complete it and draw the following in your notebook and color them to form pattern. Here, dear students, this pattern you complete or write it in your notebook, and by using colors you can color it in your notebook only. Up to here we have completed the 10th chapter. It is patterns and symmetry. Dear students, in the next class I am going to take the another new chapter, and you please complete all the exercise parts given in the textbook itself. Dear students, thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Bye bye.